Do it like this. Come.
This I can't do.
Why?
This isn't your regular beauty show. This is So You Think You Can Blend, where flawless glam meets full-blown chaos.
ये तो पता नहीं क्या है, अजीब है बड़ा.
Each episode, a top makeup artist thinks they are here to take you through a trending makeup look.
इस पोज में कर सकते हैं.
Have a problem?
But we have a surprise in store. Prank them at every step of the way. Will the makeup artist make it to the end?
पहली बार ऐसा प्राणी देखा मैंने.
Let's find out.
Hi everyone, so welcome to Nykaa's YouTube channel. My name is Nitika and I am a makeup artist. Today we are going to do retro makeup look in which we are going to create a thick wing eyeliner. Let's get started. Hi. Hi, please have a seat.
It's a black chair.
Yeah.
Okay. A web death. Actually, that's what we're gonna do today at Nykaa. We're not just here for a makeup look, but to actually make someone feel crazier than ever. क्योंकि यार थोड़ा फन भी होना चाहिए. एंड मेरे मुहूर्त के हिसाब से अगला 1 घंटा बहुत टफ होने वाला है. Let's go.
So first of all, we are going to begin with the eye makeup and I'm going to prep her eyelids first. I'm going to use this concealer. You just need to follow this line and you can apply little bit of concealer over here. After prepping her eyelids with the concealer, now we are going to lock it with the powder. It's very important, otherwise यहाँ पर creasing होगा. Now you can see the eyelids are looking crisp and now we are going to start with the transition shade. So I'm going to take a very light shade. We are going to apply it all over her eyelid. As we are doing the retro makeup today, we are going to create a wing eyeliner with tips and tricks. So let's get started. So I am comfortable with this wing eyeliner. First dot that you will create here would be at the outer corner. You can create one more dot here. You need to follow the same lane. It is going to be in slant. And now we are going to join these dots very smoothly. If you need this kind of wing, you need to create a stroke in one go. And now you are going to start making a slant line from here. It's way easier to create a wing this way. So here we got the perfect wing eyeliner.
सताक्षी टाइम क्या हो रहा है? 4:17. 4:30 बता देना मुझे, है ना?
Now it's time to apply the eyelashes. आपको उसको हमेशा सेंटर से पुल आउट करना है ताकि उसकी जो आउटर शेप है वो खराब ना हो. This is one of the reasons कि आपकी eyelash stick नहीं होती है अच्छे से. And now we are going to apply the lash glue over here. You need to make it semi-dry and then you will apply it.
आप ना उल्टी साइड करो. That's like luckier. थोड़ा.
I didn't get it. ऐसे?
हाँ.
Okay. I didn't know that thing. Okay.
What's your birthday date?
It's 27.
9. Oh, number 9. Okay. Actually, my family is into astrology, so we keep on checking everything.
Okay. So now we are going to start. जहाँ पे थोड़ी सी growth है ना, वो जाएगा inner corner में. Then go with the outer corner, and then go with the inner corner. It's all perfect now. So now we are going to start with the base makeup.
सताक्षी 4:30 है क्या? Sure, ठीक है. I'll just have a call with my pandit ji and then I'll come. Okay?
For sure. Okay. Is this the part of the script? No. Okay.
चलो. आप बस ये पहन लो. गुरुजी said कि अभी at this time नक्षत्र पूरे खराब हैं, तो I don't want that, है ना?
Okay. I need
It's
to get
like
it?
a evil eye ring. हाँ,
Okay.
बिल्कुल.
Okay, I'll wear it here.
Can I get some water? आप आगे हो गए. ठीक है, ये आप फेंक देना है. हाँ.
Are you comfortable with whatever she is doing? Not comfortable. ये तो पता नहीं क्या है, अजीब है बड़ा. We have already applied the moisturizer on her face.
Okay.
Now we are going to go with the primer.
That's why. मेरे गुरुजी कह रहे थे there's something negative. Now I see it. It's all black no here.
Okay, we have done with the primer. We'll take rest of like एटलीस्ट 1 मिनट और 30 सेकेंड्स, तो उसको एब्जॉर्ब होने देंगे, फिर हम करेंगे करेक्शन आप कभी भी अपने शेड के कंसीलर से नहीं करोगे, यू विल डू इट विद द 2 शेड्स डार्कर कंसीलर देन योर स्किन टोन। सबसे पहले वी आर गोइंग टू गो विद द कंसीलर। जहाँ पे आपको कोई डार्क स्पॉट दिख रहा है, कोई भी एक्ने मार्क दिख रहा है, यू कैन अप्लाई दिस, और लगा के आपको फटाफट से ब्लेंडिंग करनी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो करेक्शन इज ऑल डन। आज हम फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाएंगे। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू यूज टिंटेड मॉइस्चराइजर्स। मैंने हाफ फेस पे 2-3 बार टिंटेड सनस्क्रीन लगाया, बट स्टिल आप देख सकते हो कोई ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है यहाँ और यहाँ।
Everything seeps into my energy. It's just something that happens.
There is no difference here and here, and now we are going to go with the face, and then I'm going to blend it like this. कंटूरिंग के लिए फटाफट एक स्टेप बता रही हूँ आपको। यू ऑलवेज नीड टू, इस पोज में कर सकते हैं,
Have a problem?
लाइक जब वो एडिटिंग
It
करेंगे
just
ना,
balances. You can cut my hand off in the shot, but balances everything.
I wanted to explain in a better way, but I get interrupted. तो मुझे नहीं, मेरा भी डिस्टर्ब हो रहा था।
But I have something else in mind.
जब भी आपको कॉन्टोरिंग करनी है, आपने अपने ईयर के अकॉर्डिंग कॉन्टोरिंग करनी है। सबसे पहले आपने स्टार्टिंग जो है आपकी ईयर की, उसको फॉलो करना है, एंड यू नीड टू मेक अ स्लांट लाइन लाइक दिस। एंड अगर आपको अपनी जॉ लाइन चाहिए क्वाइट शार्प एंड बहुत अच्छे से चिजल लुक चाहिए, यू नीड टू स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम द एंड ऑफ द ईयर लाइक दिस, एंड देन यू नीड टू go like this, and here as well
I can't move that way. Yeah.
I'll move it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, you can't come on the left. It's negative. Please do it from here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You need to blend it here like this, और आप इसको outward motion में भी blend कर सकते हो like this. And now here as well you need to start from the ear till the end of our eye, and then here to here like this, and then now you need to blend it downward, little bit here, that's it. So ऐसे फिर ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी एक शेडो क्रिएट हो चुकी है यहाँ पे, फेस को थोड़ी सी शेप मिल गई है।
And if you do all these asanas, it anyways looks more enigmatic and more beautiful.
आए, पहली बार ऐसा प्राणी देखा मैंने। Now we are going to go with the blush.
For the blush, we will do which color?
We are going to go with the pink color.
Yeah, I can't do red. Okay.
First of all, we will apply. सबसे पहले
Okay.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल अप्लाई लाइक 1 डॉट लगाएंगे, ताकि अगर आप ज़्यादा पहले ही ब्लश ज़्यादा लगा दोगे तो आपको ब्लेंड करने में प्रॉब्लम होगी। थोड़ा थोड़ा लगाओ एंड देन ब्लेंड इट। और आपको जब इसकी ब्लेंडिंग करनी है, आप ट्राई करो आप पूरी चीक को कवर करो। जो हमारा 80s का जो ये रेट्रो मेकअप लुक है ना, उसमें आपने देखा होगा फुलर चीक्स हैं, पूरी चीक्स पे रेडनेस दिखती है प्रॉपरली। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई हाईलाइटिंग कंसीलर। 80s और रेट्रो के मेकअप में उनका फेस ऐसे अपलिफ्ट होता था, उसका वन ऑफ द रीजंस है उनकी यहाँ पे एप्लीकेशन, कंसीलर की एप्लीकेशन जितनी यहाँ पे होगी।
No, there's one more reason. I'll show you, Abhi. Actually, why not? We'll do it together. Come. It will look so cool, no? So you start. Move this black thing. Now see, I told you black is negative now. Can you fix this? Till then we'll do face yoga, huh? Okay. So till then we'll do face yoga, okay? So go. Now move your jaw. So this lifts, and the best thing to do is, if you like really want everything lifted, do it like this. Come.
This I can't do.
Why?
My clothes are, I'm not comfortable in
That's
these
why,
clothes.
because
Yeah.
you're so connected to materialistic things, but okay. And it helps. It helps so much. Can we fix this black negative chair? Till that time, you can actually blend. You can blend it without the chair.
Highlighting concealer is all done. अब आप powder setting करोगे. After doing powder setting, you are not supposed to use any cream product after that. Otherwise, it will get cakey. For powder setting, you need a powder and this kind of puff. This is a triangular puff, best for powder setting. You need to set it at the back of your hand. और powder puff से आप अपने under eye को कुछ इस तरह से set करोगे. Now you are going to apply the powder on the whole face. Set your face like this. पाउडर सेटिंग के बाद थोड़ा सा फेस फ्लैट लग रहा है, फटाफट से हम पाउडर ब्लश लगाएंगे, बहुत कम लगाएंगे. सो विल अप्लाई लिटिल बिट ऑफ powder blusher here. And then now we are going to move with the highlighter. People usually applying highlighter like this. Highlighter लिया and create a stroke like this. It's not correct.
Very wrong, very wrong.
आपको circular motion में लगाना है. Rather than this harsh line, we are going to make a curve. And then you will apply highlighter on the tip of her nose. Here. Center of the
Because
chin.
you always need to apply everything 4 times or 2 times, never 3 times. It's just not the right number, huh?
Now we are going to go with the lips. तो अगर आपको चाहिए कि आपकी लिपस्टिक थोड़ी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग हो, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अप्लाई द टेंट. ऑलवेज अप्लाई अ टेंट. अगर आपकी लिपस्टिक थोड़ी रिमूव भी होती है तो इट वोंट लुक लाइक बैड और आपको ऐसा ना लगे कि लिपस्टिक रिमूव हो चुकी है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गो विद द लिप लाइनर. ऑलवेज अप्लाई ब्राउन लिप लाइनर बिकॉज ब्राउन गोज विद एवरी अटायर, ब्राउन गोज विद एवरी लिपस्टिक. लिप लाइनर के बिना प्लीज डोंट अप्लाई लिपस्टिक्स, इट वोंट लुक गुड. सो लिप लाइनर लगाना है आपने हमेशा यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है. यू जस्ट नीड टू मेक अ like a curve and then you will go like this and then you will go from outer corner to the inner corner. You will join 2 lines here. You can see lip liner को लगाने से face का look कितना ज़्यादा change हो गया. And this is the end result. And now we are going to apply the lipstick. Keeping in mind the retro makeup look, we are going to go with a rust kind of shade. You must have seen they have applied the like in
And
80s.
before that, we'll do one last chant, okay? So
Let's apply it first and then
no,
do
first
it.
we'll do the chant, है ना? Now say it with me. Brush चले,
ब्रश चले,
blend हो सही,
ब्लेंड हो सही.
ये औरत मुझसे नहीं सही.
ये औरत मुझसे नहीं
सही.
सही.
I'm sorry for just pranking you. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
From the start was a crime. She's not actually like this.
It's
There's
not
no
like
Guruji.
this. There's no Guruji.
Seriously.
Yeah, seriously.
अरे यार मैं नहीं करती यार ये सब. मैं कोई बाबा वो रिंग भी डायरेक्टर साहब की है, उन्हें वापस कर देना वरना वो रीइंबर्समेंट में लगा देगी. दे दो उसे.
मुझे तो स्टार्टिंग से बिगिनिंग से ही लगा कुछ समथिंग इज वियर्ड. आई स्टिल कांट बिलीव.
And she didn't understand initially also because I think she had to agree to whatever I would say.
What you've done very well.
And now let's do the final step because we are here to learn how to do the makeup.
So let's get started with the lipstick now. We are going to go with the rust kind of shade. We applied the tint and now we are going to apply the lipstick. You can see this rust shade looks good and perfectly matches with her wing eyeliner. I think it's fine now. It looks perfect. Now let's end the makeup with the makeup fixer now. We'll like cover her eyes and then we are going to spray it all over her face like this. You can see the shine on and glow on her face and then ये आपकी मेकअप की longevity को भी बढ़ाएगा. And you are not supposed to touch it. इसको dry होने दो and then you can touch your face as well and it won't budge. So this is the final look. Thank you everyone for watching.
And please like, comment, share and subscribe to
Nykaa TV.
So, you think you can blend?
Yes, I can.